my last year in college. I started to get, you know, a little more through here, and people started saying, oh, "Is your hair getting thinner?" And I think that was probably when I started to be concerned about it. I had always heard that I was going to be bald since I was a kid. Yeah, you just wait till you get older. A good friend of mine calls me up on the phone and says, "Hey, how would you like to have hair?" And I was like, "What?" He goes, yeah. How would you like to do, you know, a hair transplant?" So I said, "Yeah, sure, count me in." A couple days after that, he set up a meeting, and I went up and met Dr. Bauman, and was very impressed with his office. I was very impressed with his staff, and we all sat down and spoke with him for a while. Got to ask him some questions about his schooling and what he's done, and got to take a look at some before and after shots on his patients.
This is an antiseptic wash. This is going to be a little different than what you get at the barber shop. Cold, wet, and loud. If you didn't have coffee this morning, this is going to wake you up a little bit. I want you to rotate to the side a little bit. This gives us a layout of where we want that hairline to be. What we've done with Paul is we've used our combination of local anesthesia and medication to numb the skin. So we used a gel on the skin first to numb the scalp before we even use the wand. And the wand is that comfortable style of injection.
It seems to work pretty good. You'll feel a pinch every once in a while, but it's nothing major. The best thing about all this, like I was telling you, Doc, is, you know, basically you've told me just before we do whatever, you know, you're going to feel this, you're going to feel that, you're going to feel this. There's been no pain. I must say it's much easier than I thought it was going to be. I mean, literally, I can say it's pretty, up to this point, a cakewalk.
Well, the rest is smooth sailing. Now that your scalp is numb and we've already harvested the donor, you know, it's just a matter of making the sites and getting the grafts into position. Everything is going great. We have a lot of hair to work with. We had excellent elasticity in the donor area, so that it's going to have excellent healing back there. Everything is working out fantastic.
Scabs and everything went away, I'd say, around day 5. And the most discomfort I've had is every once in a while I get a stitch in the back that kind of itches. But that's really been good. I'm excited about it. So I take my hat off sometimes and say, look what I did.